just closed on this one. This one, you can see, is a complete rehab, man. Everything needs to be. This is actually a damaged house. Really damaged. You'll see in a second. We're gonna open up all of this. This over here leads to a porch on the outside. We're gonna close up this porch and extend this room. Get this fireplace right here. Take down this fireplace. Extend this room. Gotta do all of this shit over. Open up this. Look in here now. Careful, yo. All of this fell down. All of this is some kind of fire or something. So we gotta get up in here, redo this whole ceiling, the whole roof, whole back of this house, floors, floor joists, everything. This is like the worst condition I've ever had to flip. But my guys are A1, I trust them. They told me to tackle anything because we actually can build from the ground up. So basically what we're gonna have to do here. And yeah, you know, I'm gonna show you the progress throughout the whole situation. Yeah, I only want my little man to come too far back here, but it's gonna be 2 bedrooms. This is the kitchen on this side. Come over here. Watch your steps though. You see the kitchen back there. Look in here. Yeah, that's the kitchen area back there. Just showing the back of the house. Back there is where, yeah, the roof, everything just burnt down. So the house just sitting. We're gonna have to do all that over here. The bathroom over here. Another room. So basically we're gonna turn it into a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Yeah, about 1,500 square foot. We'll take a walk around the outside. Yeah, we replacing everything, all the windows. It's pretty much, you know, new, This is, of course, gonna get closed in. Close it in. Watch this step. We'll close it in. Bring it home. Put a door right here. Put a extend it, open it up, and have the porch, a little porch coming outside here. But this is gonna be closed in. Yeah. This is we got to put all new siding on the house. Look, see, whole new roof. This whole thing is messed up. All new siding. Close this all up. Yeah, man, this is so I'm gonna show you that how we get down, man. We're gonna show you how good we work, and I'll keep you updated on this one. And starting off the year 2020, this big project. You can see the backyard. They got a lot of room. You know, some nice backyard. Come back here. Nice driveway. You know, they got a lot of potential as long as we put the work in. So, you know, we'll get these trees trimmed up, make them look good. Trim back a couple of these limbs. go, man. Like I said, we're starting off 2020 with this project right here. I'll keep you posted. Let's get it. Here we go now. This is the second week of demo. We got 90% of the trash out of here, I'd say, or 85%. Come to find out, down here in the basement, there's a big concrete slab. That's good. We don't have to do too much foundation. We'll have to add nothing new. Foundation is already cool, existing. Just have to, repair certain parts of it and start framing. Once we start framing, I'd say we good to go. Took out the chimney right here. Yeah. Do a little addition right here. Make this living room bigger. A lot of repairs, man. This place was beat up, yo. We about to do this thing. Yeah. That's where we at now, man. Second week. Yeah. This place is fucked up, man. This place is a hot mess. We pretty much building a whole new joint, man. But who God bless, no man can curse. So no matter what the obstacle are, or what the obstacles are, we overcome. Yes, sir. We're about to do this. Keep you updated. Slice.